Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Diary. It's all about travel, cooking, family, and lifestyle. Please subscribe, like, and share. And enjoy watching, guys!
Yan.
Yummy! You like Bim, the Pandoro? Bim? Huh? You like it? Which one?
Poi lo zucchero?
Ah, no, you don't have. Papi doesn't have anymore. Finished.
Do like that.
Wow, the sugar. See? Pandoro, Pandoro. The Christmas cake of Italy. Very traditional Christmas breakfast. Also oats for Liam. Top, Bim. Liam, you like Pandoro? Huh? Liam? Oh, yeah? Oh, show me how you eat Pandoro. Show me. Show me how you eat. Nam? No, you must eat this one. Eat, right? Ah, no, because you're done. Ah, there.
Eat. Dai.
Go.
Like that.
Oh, look. Everybody enjoys Pandoro. Ah, because he wants to dip also in the coffee. Ah. Go. Eat with the coffee.
Yum.
Wow. How is? Nam. Yeah, milk. Yeah, you can also put the milk. Yes. And then you eat. Yum. How is? Yummy? Gosh. Oh, say bye na, Liam. Bye.
Eat.
Say bye. Bye. Liam. No, he's busy. Say hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. For watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.